Hello everybody. Yep, I know. You usually don't see my face in the camera. But I want to share this with you. Alright, a long time ago I was an engineer in a large facility. So you would have to have safety items on you at different times. Now they have to be accessible or you won't take them with you or you won't use them. That's how it works. If you don't have a ladder right next to you, you probably won't use it. That's just how it goes sometimes. Now, this is how I handle the everyday safety needs. Now, I have it on one of these pull carts. And they would hand them out for your ID to hang on. So I use one of them for my stuff. Now first, I just want to talk about, I guess, hearing protection. All the time you would go into rooms when you needed hearing protection. Compressor rooms, variable drive rooms, air handlers. Where I was at, we had planes, you would need them. And they weren't always available, you didn't always carry them on you. But every day when I left our shop, I took this out of my locker and I put it on. So I have all my stuff right here. So I had my ear protection. This is my dust mask. Now it's been a long time, and this is my original dust mask. About 10 years ago. So it's older than that. Now, if you don't have a dust mask on you, you're going to walk into that room, filters, change filters, dusty environments. You're not going to run and get a dust mask before you do that. So it's good to have it on you before you even leave the shop for a call or a job. And this is original from back then. The next thing is my safety glasses. While we look at the safety glasses, take a look at the clips. These clips were used to hold an ID on. So I saved up some of them, and that's what I used to clip everything together. Now this mag is improvised, that's not original, but the safety glasses are. Now when you get safety glasses, they come in a bag in a box usually. So I would use the bag they come in to hang them on my lanyard and keep them with me at all times. Now, usually in the summertime, I carry clear ones. In the wintertime, a lot of the times I carry sunglass safety glasses. Because when it snowed and you're out there, out in the fields with all that snow blinds you. So I would switch these in and out. Depending on season, where I'm going. I tried to get the right ones on me at the right times. I didn't always accomplish that, but I had a set of safety glasses on me at all times. So this is how I wore it. You can keep it underneath the coat or just hanging out here like this. So this is how I handle these safety aspect of protective gear that I needed at any point in time during the day when you didn't normally wear it. So I wasn't walking around the facility with a dust mask on, safety glasses, and earplugs in. I pull them out when I need them, put them away when I was done, and that's how I kept myself up to date on having the stuff on me at all times. So I wanted to share this with you. This is how I did it. I don't believe anyone else in my shop did it like this. I think I was the only one, but I certainly liked how I did it, so I kept doing it. So I want to share that with you maintenance guys, especially when you're running around the buildings, doing all that stuff. It's good to have your safety gear on you. On a lanyard, pull apart lanyard. It's another safety item. No lanyards that don't pull apart. So you get caught in something, and that's another safety hazard. And I have a additional one here, and I'll tell you what, nowadays I'd probably put one of those masks that everyone's wearing for the corona. So I have an extra one here. This will be for corona, the corona mask. And I had I think this is the original holder for the IV. This was originally for an IV. That's what that comes for. Until I repurposed it into a safety set. So, thanks for watching. I was glad to share it with you.